friends, we are about to start the first chapter of our bio syllabus of class 10th, that is life processes. Now you might be thinking, what are life processes? So a very simple definition, all those processes which maintain constant internal environment in the body are called life processes. Now, what are the examples of life processes? Nutrition, respiration, excretion, etc. Can you live without food? No, sir. Can you live without taking in oxygen, giving out oxygen, carbon dioxide? Can you? No. Can you live without going to washroom? Is there anybody who does not go to washroom? Everybody goes because we have to remove waste product. Okay, so that is why these are life processes, and all of them are equally important. You cannot ignore any one of them. Okay. So now we will discuss the first process of life process, that is nutrition. Now what is nutrition? The process of taking or preparing food is called nutrition. Nutrition is of two types: autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Now you might have studied about autotrophic nutrition. Such type of nutrition, in such type of nutrition, living beings prepare their own food. And there are only one autotrophs on this planet Earth, and they are plants. Okay. Now heterotrophs. Heterotrophs depend on others for food. Now, please listen. Heterotrophs depend on other for food. Yes. And if that other is a living being, like mosquitoes are living being, we are living being, so they are called parasites. So when living beings depend on other living beings for food, they are called parasites. Example, mosquitoes. And when living beings depend on other dead organic matter for food, they are called saprophytes. For example, fungus. Okay, you all have bread in your house. So take a slice of bread, dip it in water and keep it at a particular place. So after 2 to 3 days, you will see fungus growing on it. So that is saprophyte. Okay, understood? Now we will discuss autotrophic nutrition in detail. Okay, now children, we will begin autotrophic nutrition in detail. So as you know, there are only one autotrophs on this planet Earth, and they are correct, plants. So plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. So how we will define photosynthesis? The process in which green parts of the plant prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, to form glucose, that is food of the plant, is called photosynthesis. The equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it will form glucose, that is C6H12O6, plus oxygen plus water is released. Now let us discuss this process in detail. How this process takes place. So I have explained it with the help of very simple diagram. Just focus on it. So first, sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment by which all the leaves look green. So its main function is to absorb sunlight. First, sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll, due to which water molecule present in the leaf breaks into hydrogen and hydroxyl ions. This process is called photolysis of water. Photo means sunlight, lysis means breakdown. And what is breaking down? Water. So photolysis of water. Now, the hydrogen ion which is formed by photolysis of water combines with NADP. Now you will ask, what is this NADP? NADP is a reducing agent already present in plants. So it combines with H ion and form NADPH. Hydroxyl ion later on forms molecular oxygen, which is released in the atmosphere, which we all breathe. And in between, ATP is formed. So till here, where a oxygen, NADPH and ATP is formed, this is called light reaction. In NCERT it is not given, it is just for your info. Fine children. Now what is left? Carbon dioxide. So finally, carbon dioxide, I am writing it here, carbon dioxide combines with NADPH. In presence of ATP, it forms glucose. Fine. And this glucose is highly soluble in water, so it is converted into starch. So at night, when plant require food, this starch is again converted into glucose and can be utilized. This single line reaction is a complex reaction. It is not a single line reaction, but according to your syllabus it is there, so I am taking it. Now this entire process is known as dark reaction. Once again, this dark reaction name is not there in your NCERT, so it will not come. So this is process of photosynthesis in detail. Later in this channel, I will provide you notes, so you can copy these notes from there.